friends, this is Hani Amiri. Today I'm going to speak about the good ways that you can take right now to give your life a fresh start and change it for better. Because we spoke in a previous video about people who sometimes feel that their daily killing routine is badly affected their performance, and they feel that they are not in the right situation or things like this. So these ways you can follow right now is, first of all, is the cut off the toxic, be it bad friends, a group of people who were trying to put you down, or maybe an old or a bad disgusting habit like smoking, eating junk food, stay up late, or using mobile phones for a long time. The second one is to add a new task that you were hoping to make, like walking in a park, cycling, doing different kind of exercise, or maybe going out with good friends. The third one is to bring or to make a vision board, to put pictures of things, of your dreams, desires, and any other things you were fond of. For example, you are dreaming in a nice car, you can put the picture of the nice car. You are dreaming to buy a home, put a picture of a nice home. You are dreaming to go on a vacation for a specific country or place, so put the picture for this one. So this will maintain your focus on your goals and make you feel better, because there is a clear vision for the future, what you are going to do or to make in your future. The fourth thing is to make a tight decision to minimize the time you spend using the mobile phones, because you are wasting your precious time for nothing. Actually, it's like really bad and strange and useless, like to spend 3, 4, 5 hours maybe on a social media with something like will not be beneficial, will give you nothing by the end. The fifth good way you need to take right now, try something new in your life. Bring ideas, do something new, and I really encourage and highly recommend that you learn something new, let's say on computer, some computer skills, internet skills, and especially nowadays the huge movement of many people all over the world to join the digital workforce. Learning, have a training, expand their knowledge, acquiring new skills on how to make money from home, working online, and the many different industries and niches, especially the most popular online business that I'm working since 2015 is the affiliate marketing. That's the thing you are selling other people products, promoting. So some people who want to change their life can make their mind decision, like to start learning by watching videos, by doing search, reading books, watching webinars, seminars, a lot of video tutorials on YouTube or anywhere. So by joining this this industry or the online business in general, you will start to learn skills. This will change your life. That's what happened to me since I started. Right now, I don't feel boring. My life totally changed for better because a lot of knowledge coming into my life and my mind, and I expand it daily. So I'm really feeling happy meeting new people, learning a lot of things, and feeling that my future is really shiny, and I'm going on the right way. So I highly recommend that you start learning new skills, acquiring new skills, and expanding your knowledge in the area of working from home, online, and meeting new people, and try to find a second job or another job that help you in the future. The other thing, the most important, and it's related to everything in life, is to allocate good time for reading books, especially the self-improvement books. There is a lot. You can search online, reach me out. I will give you a lot of recommendation. Recently, I recorded some videos about some of interesting information I got from reading the Think and Grow Rich book by Napoleon Hill, and so on. This is the most important, my friend. I mean, reading books is you are going to know other people experience how people were living 100 years ago, 50 years ago, 10 years ago. So you will reach other people knowledge and experience instead of going on in your life making mistakes and get involved in the troubles like this. So reading is the best way to improve your life, is the best shift you can take right now to change your life and give your life a fresh start. It's highly recommended for everyone to start read even 5 pages daily. That means a book in a month. It's really important because it will expand your knowledge, it will open your mind for everything. You will acquire new skills, you will know a new people, and things like this. The second one, I can say that, which is the self-improvement experts recommend, that when you start any new plan, you start any new activity, kind of sport, even reading or acquiring skills, have a training, things like this. So in general, any new action you take right now in your life, you should stick at least 21 days. After 21 days, this plan, this action, this step you already took or still working on it will be a habit. This is so important. After 21 days, it will be like a habit. You will like it. You will enjoy it. You will not find yourself, your day fruitful or meaningful without practicing, or without going to read, without going to do something as a habit you have acquired for the last 21 days or more than that. So stick on your plan at least 21 days, and after that you will feel happy, you will feel like it is really good to go for it. You will get yourself familiar with that. This is what I have right now. There is a lot to speak about it, but the most important thing to give your life a fresh start, my friends, is to meet successful people, to meet good people, to read books, to do exercise, to acquire and start acquiring or building a new skills, because this will give you by the end your financial confidence, which is this is much more important than everything in the life of everyone. Please subscribe in the channel, and I will see you very soon. Thank you. Bye.